The Chief Judge of Rivers State, Justice Simeon Chibuzo Amadi, don swear in Sir Simi Fubara as the Executive Governor of Rivers State for the Yakubu Gowon Stadium for Port Harcourt on Monday, 29 May 2023. Governor Simeon Fubara, after him don take him oath of office, come talk say him go be governor to all the people of Rivers State. He come talk say him go put the well-being of the people of the state for front and say him go partner with private sector to create more jobs and empower the people. Governor Fubara come promise to invest for capital projects like building of more roads, bridges and electricity supply. He come pledge to construct ring road for Port Harcourt wey go make carrying of goods and services easy for the people of the state.
We will provide strong, determined, focused, purposeful and responsible leadership. We will prioritize the well-being of our state and our citizens with a renewed focus on economic growth, people-centered projects, and social services. We will improve the ease of doing business and sustain a regime that will attract local, foreign direct investment to stimulate greater economic activity, create wealth.
The Deputy Governor of the state, Professor Ngozi Odum, come still take her oath of office and come promise to serve to the best of her ability.
As Deputy Governor of Rivers State,
I will discharge my duties.
I will discharge my duties
To the best of my ability.
faithfully,
And in accordance with the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria.
and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.